let's look for x. We are asked to solve for x. They have the same base, okay? Because they have the same base and plus is separating them, I can come straight to join them together by saying log to the base of 2 this multiplied by this, okay, equals to 2. So these two will come here to carry this. You agree with me? You're going to have this raised to power 2 equals to 4, okay? We expand this now to have this multiplied by this x squared, this multiplied by this 2x, this multiplied by this minus x, this multiplied by this minus 2 equals to 4. X squared is therefore plus x, because this minus this is x, minus 2 minus 4. This 4 comes to this side. You agree with me? This is this, okay? So now, this is quadratic equation, which you can do as 3s minus 2s minus 6 equals to 0. You should understand quadratic equation, okay? Now, you do this equals to 0. If you don't understand quadratic equation, please look it up. You agree with me that s equals to 2 or s equals to minus 3. This is the answer, okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.